My name is Aisha Zaharin. I am here presenting the story The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a mouse ran over a sleeping lion. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. The mouse begged, "Please leave me. I will save you one day." The lion freed him. After some days, the lion caught in a net. The mouse cut the net with his teeth. Moral of the story is: do good and have good. Assalamu alaikum.